Good morning from Universal Studios LA. I don't know how entertaining this video is going to be for you guys today because it looks pretty miserable outside. But you know what? We're here. We're from Oklahoma, so we never get to be in California and Universal especially. So we're going to make the most of it. We're going to buy some rain ponchos and we're going to get out there because I'm not going to let no rain on my parade. Weavy is not thrilled.
No.
Oh, I know.
I'm disappointed.
Me too. I know. But we are going to make the best of it. And maybe it won't be very crowded.
That's what I was telling Abby. I was like, well, maybe all the local people that have the yearly
Season passes or whatever
won't be here, so I guess.
Okay, this is our hotel gift shop. Ooh, this is cute. Hollywood. Okay, focus.
Focus.
Poncho. It's raining really hard and we did not come prepared. I didn't bring like one sweater, so I had to buy this Hollywood sweater. We got a couple ponchos from the gift shop and a t-shirt for 50% off, which is super cute. This isn't, I'm not where I wanted to spend my gift shop money though. But it's too cold, it's raining so hard and I just did not come prepared.
She found herself a clear one.
The head hole is tight.
She's suffocating. I think, does it have it doesn't have a little button or anything? It's just...
At the head hole?
Yeah.
No. It's one size fits all. And you know
it's probably like a child.
I have a very large head for a female.
All right, well, get your large head in there and let's go. Abby's being too optimistic. She thinks the rain's gonna go away this afternoon or something. But look how cute. She got a clear poncho. Check out her little backpack. She brought this just for this trip.
I carried it all the way to Hawaii.
Carried it all the way to Hawaii
just
for the trip. Abby, look out. It's a Goomba up there.
I'm trying not to get irritated because my poncho keeps unbuttoning and it is raining so hard.
It's raining so hard. It's not even like drizzling now. It's like downpouring. And Yoshi. Haha. Here we go, Abby. We're skipping all the lines.
I'm making the most of it. I'm making the most of it. It is okay. I'm not irritated.
I am not irritated. Woosa. Woosa. Woosa.
It's okay.
Yoshi. Get him, Yoshi. making the most of it. Abby asked if I liked being Bowser and Mario Kart.
Yoshi,
I'm always Yoshi.
I'm always Princess Peach.
Ah. Yeah, he has a picture of Peach on his phone. There's Peach uniform.
That's so cute.
Abby, go get in the Peach uniform. Abby's got her little Mario headgear on.
Exit through the gift shop.
The gift shop, Abby's favorite.
Very convenient, isn't it? I need Weeby to get this Luigi outfit to keep him warm. See the gloves?
Nice.
That'll keep your hands nice and warm.
Oh yeah. Peach.
Is my makeup like all screwed up?
Is your makeup all screwed up?
Yeah.
It looks great.
You're so sweet. I tell you, if it holds up through this rain and all these like rides and stuff, I'll link my foundation in the description. Fully booked. No. Why didn't we pre-plan? We're super disappointed that the Toadstool Cafe is fully booked. I mean, I wasn't even really thinking about having to make a reservation.
No, I thought that we could walk up and then just have a wait time. But so if you come, you better sign up online, I guess. I don't know how else to do it because I looked in the app and there's no availability, which maybe just means because of today.
Yeah, and we're not very good theme park planners.
Nope.
So this is probably not a video on how to do your day, but just our experience.
Yeah.
Yes, we got in! Yay! I'm scared of rides. Weeby wants to do the mummy.
Abby, you can do it. You can do it, sweetie.
All right.
Uh-oh. Scary music. And it's high speed.
Ah.
Abby, your face.
I'm only doing this because supposedly there's no loops or upside down or really drastic drops, they said. I'm not a roller coaster person.
She's gonna be screaming.
Yes, I will. I survived. It really wasn't bad, and thankfully it wasn't very long.
Here we go. We're going on Jurassic World. This is the most roller coaster type stuff Abby's ever done.
It's like a log ride.
It's like
so
a log
we're gonna
ride.
Get even wetter than we already are.
We might as well, right? I mean, we're already soaking wet.
Stegosaurus, one of the latest additions to our Jurassic World family.
Oh, look, it's a baby. It's a baby.
Look at the little babies.
The babies are tiny. Uh-oh, the Indominus Rex got out. Uh-oh.
Do not panic. If you can see me, I need you to keep your hands inside the boat.
We're gonna escape. Oh, that first row.
I'm so glad I'm not in that first row. The only way to get out of the rain is to do all these rides. I am not a ride person, but today I am.
Today you are.
Getting out of the rain.
I said, this is fun because I don't get to ride on roller coasters with Abby.
Transformers was cool.
Yeah?
It's a 3D ride though, so I started getting a little nauseated. The Mario strawberry soda is what I want to try.
Is it pretty good?
It tastes like a strawberry soda.
Mario strawberry soda. And it has ice cream?
Yeah,
you
with
said?
strawberry on top.
Mmm. Well, that was really good.
Oh my gosh, it's so good. Look, there's like boba.
Mmm.
It's like strawberry boba. Oh my gosh. Weeby doesn't like the boba.
No, they're
I
kind
like-
of tangy or something.
I like the boba. I was gonna say something inappropriate, but I changed my mind.
You like the bursting in your mouth? You like balls in your mouth?
Weeby!
I'm trying to.
This is a
I'm going.
family.
Family establishment. You like Mario balls in your mouth?
Any Marios hit me up. My shoes are so wet. You can kind of see my pink toenail polish poking out the tips of the mesh. And I have socks on too. Yeah, that's
gonna
fun.
be fun.
I don't like wet feet. Ah, it's a beautiful view.
Raining harder.
We are at the Three Broomsticks for lunch. Finally out of the rain for a little bit. I'm gonna get some butter beer.
Oh. I like butterbeer.
Weeby prefers the frozen. Fish and chips, shepherd's pie, and I just get the cold butter beer.
Oh, she's stealing my shepherd's pie.
Do you want to be the first one to take a bite?
No, you can't.
This is a bigger bite than I intended.
Is it hot?
It's good.
It's good. And Abby got the fish and chips, which are always good. Love the fish and chips here.
I love this music.
The music is so classic.
Dumbledore, unlike you, Salazar, sees the good in all people, whether on the...
Are you excited?
Yeah, this one makes me a little nauseated.
Yeah, we did this one in Orlando.
Yes.
check out those videos
Yeah.
below.
Check out our Orlando trip from a couple years ago.
Yeah. September week.
Ends in the gift shop.
Always in the gift shop.
I have to close my eyes through that ride. You get really like dizzy, motion sick.
Yeah.
But
yeah.
it is a fun one.
It is really fun.
The way they do it is pretty awesome.
Yeah.
Well, we took a small break from the rain, came back to our room, maybe took a small nap and just refreshed a little bit. I think we may get the reservations for this Toadstool Cafe for dinner tonight. So fingers crossed, but we're gonna brave the rain and head back out there because today's our only day and we're trying to make the most of it.
We're back. Round 2.
Round 2, we're back. Here we go.
Okay, we are going to do the studio tour since, you know, we are in LA. We might as well do the studio tour, right? Right, Abby says.
We're walking directly in the direction of the rain.
Abby's scared. There he comes, there he comes. Oh!
Picture cars from the future with Back to the Future Part 2. Prehistoric cars, Flintstones vehicles. Those run on more than just foot power. They have little motors hidden inside. Of course, we gotta have some picture cars from some of our biggest franchises. There's a couple cars down here from the Jurassic series, including that giant, and all of the effects. You see the strobe lights for the lightning, and you can hear the sound effects, the thunder. Now we've got some extra water effects flowing over there on your left-hand side too. It's not very hard for us to create rain in old Mexico. We have sprinklers hooked to the top of some of those telephone poles. Plenty of it, so it's nice and visible. Oh no, we might have left it on for too long. Got a bunch of water headed right for the tram.
Oh, it's taking down the sign. Oh, it's out the building.
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, that flash flood was
That's
just
crazy.
the result of releasing thousands of gallons of water from up. Guys, it looks like Tomas, he's no mas. Sure had a lot of guts to be out there. All right, stay in your seats. We're gonna pull forward. We're gonna pull up and we're gonna protect ourselves. We're gonna pull up and hide behind these flammable gasoline tanks. Yeah, everyone knows gas is a great thing to hide behind, especially whenever danger is looming. I'm sure that will be safe here. Oh, I think the shark got a hold of the bait that was tied to that yellow line. Oh my goodness. Who could have suspected this? Hey, did anybody back there keep their eye on the shark? I think I might see him. Is he over there on the other side?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, ladies and gentlemen. Now that is just something you don't see every day.
The studio tour was actually pretty cool. I was just telling Weeby I wish that it was like daytime and it wasn't raining to get the full effect of everything, but that was awesome.
Yeah, I really liked it.
All right, we're gonna try to check out the Simpsons Ride.
Let's go.
Oh man, I haven't watched The Simpsons in forever. Do you remember that little segment of The Simpsons? It was always crazy. Simpsons was cool, but man, those like rides make me so nauseated.
It's like all digital, and then they just kind of move you around.
Yeah, so it's so weird how it feels like you're on a real roller coaster.
It does, yeah.
But yeah, those make me nauseated. Thankfully, they're short enough. I've never had to, follow through. It looks pretty cool at night. So we're gonna go back to the Nintendo World and try to have dinner at the Toadstool Cafe. So we'll see. We got in! Yay!
Okay, so I got the Luigi Pesto burger or chicken sandwich, and it looks delicious. And then Abby got the marinara meatballs. It's like the firecracker spaghetti, and it smells so good. Like that marinara sauce smells so good.
Oh yeah.
And then of course we had to get a Princess Peach cupcake.
It's so cute.
It is cute. What do you think? Let's try it.
This is delicious. It's like hits the spot on a cold, rainy day. It's really hearty.
I will say, of all the like Universal restaurants we've been to, they hit it out of the park every time.
Yeah, the food is always really good.
So good everywhere. Like
the restaurants and
really
stuff.
Good.
Yeah.
It's really good.
So what did you think of yours?
I liked it a lot.
Okay, good. We cut it open to split it, and there's like a raspberry or strawberry or something like jelly inside. Here, let me see. Honestly, I'm not the best taste tester of things because I can't tell.
You can't tell? Is it
Maybe
'cause
you
have
try
COVID?
it. Strawberry?
I think it's strawberry.
I think it's strawberry. I got a little sample of the icing, and it is like bomb.
I say that because it's very like just sweet tasting. You know?
Not like tart.
Yeah, I mean it's I don't know. There's nothing distinct about it. It just like hits you with sweetness.
This is some good cake. That's good. Oh my gosh, that was so good.
That was delicious.
It's expensive for, theme park food, but it was very good.
I think all theme park food is expensive.
That's true. Okay, so now with full bellies, let's go ride a spinny ride. I think we want to do the Mario ride again. It's like Mario Kart. It's so cool at night.
Here we go again. There's like so much detail inside of these rides. It's freaking awesome. This is what happens when you come on a rainy day.
Ain't close to closing.
And close to closing because it's 8 o'clock. We
Yeah.
only have an hour left. And it's completely empty. No wait times. Woo!
I think we're gonna head to the gift shops and then head out. It's been a fun day though. Even with the rain.
I really hate rain. But it's been fun.
Yeah, I'm like, come on, Weedy.
Okay, it's been fun.
Oh, I like
Checking
how
out the
cute
anime.
This is. I Heart Donut.
I heard doing it.
That's
It's a
actually
Simpsons
adorable.
Simpsons shirt.
What do I want?
Abby cannot decide what souvenir she wants. I bet she wants this Fast and Furious over here.
Oh yeah, because that's totally me.
Yeah. Okay, this is more her style. All the Harry Potter.
Okay, shopping haul. Of course, this morning I got this Hollywood sweater, which turned out really well because it kept me nice and warm today, you know, to an extent. And then I ended up deciding on getting this Super Nintendo World long sleeve shirt because I couldn't really find anything that I really wanted. And because it's so cold and I'm out of long sleeves, I'm going to wear this on the plane tomorrow. But I thought it was cute. Oh, and then the back has Mario.
And of course, the day we leave, it's cloudy, but no rain. Today would have been a nice day. Oh well.